Search engine optimization. So in bracket, you can just say CEO. So many YouTubers are not understanding the meaning of CEO, the functions of CEO in the YouTube community, in the YouTube space. In this video, I want to break it down so that you can know the meaning of CEO. What is the function of the CEO? Why it is recommended that you should use CEO in your YouTube videos. The role of CEO is very serious because it's the search engine of the YouTube. Yes, my good people, welcome back to this wonderful channel. My name is Whitey Benjamin, and if you are watching this video for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos. And remember that if you watch this video to the end, you will learn so many things, so many secrets that I won't say. You to my YouTube studio so that I can explain to you this meaning of CEO, why we should be using CEO in order to get more views, more subscribers, and succeed in YouTube. Yeah, so this is my desktop. So when I want to show up on how I can make a good titling and a good, overall the CEO and everything, I will have to go to my YouTube studio. So when I'm going to my YouTube studio, I can choose any of the browsers to log into my YouTube studio. So I will come and choose Chrome as my browser. Then it will load, then I click YouTube studio. After clicking YouTube studio, I also click that one for the Google icon. Yes, so then my YouTube studio will be opened. So this is my YouTube studio, this is my analytics and everything in it. So what I will have to do is that I will click contents. Then after clicking contents, I will choose one of the videos. So I want to choose this video. I choose this video. So I want to show you guys on how good titling is being done, good description is being done, how you can insert, you can also insert other links in your description. You can also insert maybe other hashtags and also the thumbnails, and also overall I want to show you guys on how to make a good post following the CEO rule. All right, so this is my video. I uploaded it 2 days ago, though it's not performing well because it has not been recommended. This is a new channel, so it must be recommended bit by bit, right? Yeah, so it must be recommended bit by bit. So I will have to start with the titling. So if you see this titling, there is a title, right? So I don't just choose a title. When I want to make a post, I choose this title. Then after choosing the title, I will have to log it to what is called rapid tags. What is rapid tags? It is a site, or maybe it's a software that you can use to generate tags for your video, for the title of your video. So I just have to copy this one. Then I had another tab. Then I type. Let me show you up. I type rapid tags. So after typing rapid tags, I'll click it. Then it will come out. So this is how it looks like. I will have to click use tag generator. Then I paste the title, the title that I copied the other side. So I paste it here. Then I search my tags. So after searching your tags, these are the tags. These are the keywords. When somebody is searching a video like this, title like this of yours, or maybe any title related to these tags, the possibility of getting a video is very high. So I will have to copy this. Then after copying, I go back to my upload. Then I paste it here. All right. Then I paste it here. So that is how to generate tags. It is not a matter of doing what you want. It is a matter of doing what YouTube needs. And that is the SEO I'm talking about. Alright. So you will have to paste that tags here. Alright. You paste it here as your tags because you can't delete tags, all the tags for your videos. You have to use some skills in generating tags. Alright. So that is how you guys should be doing proper titling. You do that title, you research on the title. Okay, after researching on the title, you insert it into the rapid tags to the generator. Then rapid tag generator will generate for you good tags that you can use when you are making a video, making a post anytime. Okay, so that is how you do what is called titling. So after titling, you can also search hashtags. So the second thing here, we are coming to descriptions. So in description, what we should do, you have to make a sentence or maybe a paragraph sentence that is talking about the title. Yeah, that is talking about the title. So at least the title should appear mostly in the description. So let's just saying getting 1000 subscribers. You see this? It's here and it's here, all right? It's here and it's here also. We also have this one. We'll give you 1000 subscribers in 3 days. It's in the description and it is also in the title. So when you do proper description, it will give the algorithm easy time to analyze your video and give it to the right audience. That is why it is recommended to research on the description, research on the title, research on the tags, because if you do that way, the algorithm will find it easy to recommend your video to the right audience, to the right people. Okay, that is how to do it. Then secondly, we have what is called the hashtags. This is now the hashtags I'm talking about. So when it comes to hashtags, I can recommend you guys to do to use ChatGPT. I will add a tab, then I show you. I use ChatGPT. That is, I'll just add a tag ChatGPT, not ChatGPT. All right. Then I click on ChatGPT. So this is the ChatGPT. All right. We are here. This is ChatGPT. I said ChatGPT. Oh no, not this one. I don't want this one. And the other one. And the other one. And the other one. The one. This one. Yeah. So I just use ChatGPT. Yeah. So when we're using ChatGPT, we've already opened the ChatGPT. So we come back to YouTube Studio here. Then we copy the title so that we can get the best tags of our video, the best hashtags of our title, of our video. We copy it. When we come here, we paste it here. So after pasting it there, we continue with the sentence. So we can write, give me keywords for the first sentence of the above, right? So then you click enter. So after clicking enter, ChatGPT is my guy. He will give you the keywords, bro. These are all the keywords. So just come here. Then you take them, you paste this, that you just paste any of them. So we have primary keywords. We can take these ones, all of them, then we paste on the other side. Then we paste them on the hashtag side, so right? So we can also go ahead and say, give the hashtag also hashtags also. So
So, right, and ChatGPT is my guy. It will give you chat hashtags, right? This is a good. This is how I'm saying. This is why I always say that ChatGPT is my guy, because ChatGPT will give it to you. Will give it to you without hesitation. So you now just copy them. So after copying them, you paste the other side, right? We'll just copy, then you paste the other side, right? Yeah. So that is how to make good hashtags, good description, good title, and also how to make good what? How to make good tags, alright? Because that is the search engine of YouTube. The search engine of the YouTube is the hashtags, title, tags, and descriptions, alright? That is how YouTube works. That is how to challenge the algorithm to start recommending your videos aimlessly. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video. So if you've not shared the video, like the video, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so, because if you do that way, this video will be recommended to other small YouTubers who need help like you.